Hey guys, it's Jasper, and with this store, I'm closing into 1 million Great British pounds by just simply copy and pasting competitors and picking their products and putting them on my store. So in today's video, I will share 3 competitors that I've used to scale this store. Even if you guys can see in this month, we are literally doing a good amount of numbers, and you guys can see we even scaled this store up to 30K a day, 24K a day, 23K a day, by just simply copy and pasting competitors. So let's get into the first one. The first one is this store. This is a UK-based store. Of course, you guys see everything in Spanish, so let me put this now back into UK. But this is a UK-based store selling mostly home decor products. That is what it looks like on front. But if I check their best sellers, I can see that they are really a general store. I'm a huge advocate and a big fan of general stores because these kind of products are always selling. So by just verifying if they're doing some numbers, we use the SimilarWeb Chrome extension, and you guys can see these guys are scaling. These guys are printing. Remember, SimilarWeb is always behind. The traffic that they show, it's always off. But if you see this kind of graph, even if it's just 10K visitors, even if it's 20K visitors, that means they're making some good amount of money. This store is probably doing around 150K a month selling random shit, just like this. Sorry for my language, but this is just random stuff. As you guys can see, like these are like gadgets. It's a Fitbit tracker, even a retro game console. I don't know even if you're able to sell this with Shopify payments, but okay, if they want to take it, they take it. A lot of camera spy tools, fans, all kind of random stuff. So this is amazing. This is amazing. So maybe let's take a look at one of their product pages. Let's take a look at this one, what they're doing well, because I want to explain to you guys, if you would copy, what can you maybe do better or can do different? Because you just need to do some stuff differently and sometimes things a little bit better, okay? But this store is doing one thing really well. They are using basic colors, black, white, and green. That's what I really like. Just simple. If you don't know what the colors you need to pick, these ones are always the safest. And I have this, by the way, as well. I even make the add to cart this green as well because it really pops out. Like Amazon has this yellow gold button. I really love how it's standing out. So yeah, they're having an amazing converting page, to be honest. The funny thing that they do not have is, for example, some urgency or social proof. They're missing some urgency and social proof. So for example, what I always have here is a blinking orange LED saying product is almost out of stock, order quick. And then this line with order 2 products and get 50% plus, I have it in here. That's what I normally would do. So you optimize everything above the fold, so everything above the add to cart is optimized. This is, by the way, really nice done. I know that this is something in the coding, really, really nice. The product page looks clean with a lot of visuals. I think that's really good. Instead of here, maybe the spring sale, they can say like, this is also for you, or finish your order, something like this, because it's all related products. Really, really good. Add to cart. This is really strong, by the way, really good. This is a good app that they are using to get even more people buying more stuff. I like this a lot. I do have this already in my cart. Okay, shipping protection. They have coded this in that it is already checkmarked. I know that's a little bit of a gray hat method because that's not allowed anymore, but you can do this with people on Fiverr. And this is also really clean. Really clean, really good store. If you really copy and paste this stuff and you literally just optimize the product titles and product descriptions with AI, so you're not literally doing a DMCA, like you have no risk of DMCA, that will be really, really good. So I checked the ads manager as well. They're running different ads, like only Google Ads, what they're using. That's what I've done. Like you guys can see, this store is only running on Google Ads as well. And we're close to the 1 million in revenue. I think this is 1.4 million USD, which is insane. And it's only Google Ads. And look at the consistency. You will never have this with Facebook ads or TikTok ads, dropshipping. Never. We only do Google Ads. That's what we do. So as you guys can see, their ads, they're running multiple Google ads to all different stores. The good thing is also that you can click on the advertiser and maybe check if they're running even more stores. That's what I do. And I keep track of them every time. But this looks decent. Let's go on to the second store. By the way, I have this big list of 25 stores right now with their bestsellers link, with the Google Ads transparency link, with their estimated revenue in different niches, different markets. If you guys want to have that list, just comment something really nice like, Jasper, I love you. Thank you for the value. Anything kind, I will reward you and send you as a gift this sheet. Okay? So next one, I think this was also in the UK, but then in the fashion niche. This is a really fashion store. I can see on the PP Spy there are Dutch people running this one. Let's verify if they're making some sales. And yes, if you see this, man, that's a good sign. This one, keep watching, guys. Keep your attention here because this store you can learn a lot from and you can copy a lot from. So let's go and see what our best sellers are. Mostly sandals, which is really funny with them. Like these guys have really nice looking sandals, to be honest. The images are really, really good. So let's go to our bestseller. Yep. Okay, this is nice. Good images, really good images. I really like them. They're really, really, really good. I think they're even enhanced a little bit with Canva or with AI. It really looks sharp. I really like these images. Mostly are just from competitors or from AliExpress, but these ones are looking really, really good. As well, black, white, green, really safe, as you guys can see again. It's so safe, these color combinations. Direct from stock, delivered quickly, 30 days, no stress, returns made simple, free shipping in the UK, shop without worries. 10% off when you buy 2+ items. I like the grammar what they use and the interpunction and the style of writing that they use here. I think it's nice. This could be a little bit bigger, I think, like literally just showing them what a kind of a big sale is going on. The text on the add to cart is really small as well. I would make this way bigger. Put it in the face, like add to cart. Put it in the face. No social proof. Still no stars. No Trustpilot banner, no reviews. That's what you're missing here. It is, of course, here below, but please show these ones up here. That's needed. People only check above the add to cart. Let's do add to cart. Let's see what they're doing here. Okay, here they are missing some kind of upsells, but I like the way of the drawer because it's pretty big. This looks really good. I think this should be red or anything else, and this should be like emphasized more, but this is looking good. Check out, pretty simple, and this is it. Okay. Not premium shipping, always free and track. That's really, really good. I really like what they're doing. So let's see what they have as in the ads manager. They're running a lot of ads as well, as you can see, a lot of them. Only Google Ads again, only running Google Ads, which is really, really good. You see the sandals here, like there's this is one of their ads. You can see the images, really, really nice. Some cargo shorts and comfortable man sandals. This store is doing an amazing job. So if this is your store, you're doing really, really good. Keep pushing. Just keep scaling the budget because like your scale of this graph is it's impressive. That means something is working and something is clicking. And I can see why. Store is really nice. They have used AI models in the banner here as well. You can just use ideogram.ai to make this, or even out these days ChatGPT, but ideogram, I like it a little bit more. It's really nice and simple store. Great job. And of course, Dutchies, if you're watching this, you guys are killing it. Really good. All right. Last but not least, Lunar Lights. I wanted to show you guys a store in the home decor niche as well, because that's one of the niches that I like the most if I should pick a niche. High AOV, high quality products, but tougher to source. So you need a good sourcing agent. If you're in Freedom Achievers, of course, we give you the sourcing agent. The first link is in the description. But yeah, this is how the store's looking like. Really, really clean. Let's see if they're doing some volume. Yes, sir. They're doing some volume. Looks like 100K, 150K a month. That's what they're doing. Really, really good. Let's see what their best sellers are. I like these. I'm selling these ones as well. I really like these ones. I think the title is a little bit small with the font, but this is what I really like. Red sales prices. I love it. Really good. Under default, he has the free shipping 2-year guarantee and the satisfied customers. I would love to see if you put it in here, if it's better performing. I think that's a little bit better, because people only read until they see the price, the variance, and the add to cart button. This is normally what people are not looking at. The product page is really nice. On desktop here, it's annoying because he has a lot of pictures, so it keeps scrolling. But I can see the product description is very visual as well. He has a 100% satisfaction guarantee at the end as well, and it looks really, really good. So yeah, this is good store. Let me see if we add to cart, if it's even working. Oh, yeah, here we go. He has a cart page instead of a cart drawer. I'm a big fan of a cart drawer because now we're gone off the product page. Like, we cannot add any more products. We're literally gone. So if you're watching and this is your store, move it to a cart drawer and thank me later, because you will be making way more money. Because now, how can we add more products? Like, now we need to go back and need to find these products, and that's annoying. But on this store, for example, this is with the cart drawer. If you're still on the product page like this, you're still on the product page, you're like, I want to add some products. You only need to click here and boom, you can still click and add products here and go below and just add some more, okay? That's what he should be doing as well. But this looks good. Checkout, total price, that's looking good. And in the checkout page, it's the same. Okay, that's decent. Let's look at their ads library. They are running only Google Ads as well. So no store that I have shared with you guys today is doing Facebook ads or TikTok ads, because everyone is getting sick and tired of inconsistent results with Facebook ads and TikTok ads. If you're still running Facebook ads and TikTok ads to your dropshipping store and you're watching this video, please turn them off. If you have inconsistent results, take the first link in the bio. That's Freedom Achievers, and we teach you how to scale to 1K per day using only Google Ads. And I can imagine these guys maybe are in Freedom Achievers because these guys are doing an amazing job. Look at how beautiful the ads are. And the funny thing is, you're not even need to make these ads. Google will make these ads. With Facebook and TikTok, you're always struggling with these creatives and this kind of bullshit. And with Google, no hustle, easy money, okay? This looks good. I think I think you guys have 3 really good stores. And again, if you guys want to have more stores and you want to have the full list, just drop a nice comment and I will give you the sheet. Because that's what we have been doing in Freedom Achievers. I always give reference stores. I always give stores that are scaling and how to do this. If you guys want to know how Freedom Achievers looks like, well, we just teach people how to make 1K per day in 90 days using only Google Ads, and that's what we do within the Google Ads Masterclass. So within the Google Ads Masterclass, you can literally see from start, like, what is Google Ads, picking your market, picking your niche, finding winning products, creating the store, creating a Google Merchant Center, like a full module about Google, the Google Merchant Center, tips and tricks, cheat sheets, KPIs, hire your first team, email marketing. It's a lot. And of course, we have weekly live calls as well. As you guys can see, this week we have 4 weekly live calls. You can just ask anything around Google Ads, GMC, Q&A, all this, everything. And then, of course, we have the map. If you want to meet some people, you guys can see we're the biggest Google Ads dropshipping community on school, and you guys can just reach out to people close and nearby to you, okay? So first thing in the description, if you want to join Freedom Achievers, and maybe if you want to see how it looks like this month, how to make, I don't know, like this was the weekend. I guess it was this weekend. This weekend. Yeah, no, it was not that weekend. I don't know anymore. Like, if you want to see how we scale to 100K in just a few days, I've vlogged this whole, these full days. So if you want to see it, click on this video, because in that video, you will see how we generated 100K in just a few days. And you guys can literally see a little bit behind the scenes as well. For now, thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one. Peace.